This book is an exciting adventure book in which a young girl named Sin, who incorporates herself in the shoes of an Antarctic explorer. This story is one of survival, in which Sin navigates her way through the blistering and hostile Antarctic conditions. The author combines both settings, one in Antarctica and the other in Sin's head. While Sin tries to conquer her depression due to her father's passing and her reaching of womanhood, she correlates that with the deathly encounters that Captain Lawrence, also known as Titus, faces in his expedition. Although the story is a fictional one, the author ties the story of an actual man from history, making it educational. The main moral of the story is not that Sin has an old soul, but rather two people who seem polar opposites may have more in common than you think, and sometimes we can learn from the past to help us move forward. Thank you very much. My name is Angela Macias, and I read The White Darkness for my young author presentation by Geraldine McCaughren.